Most homeowners only see a thermostat and warm air. Inside a high-efficiency condensing furnace, two separate streams are doing different jobs. Household air moves through the filter and blower, then across the heat exchangers before returning to the home. Combustion products move through a sealed path and leave through the venting system. In normal operation, those streams remain separate. The secondary heat exchanger recovers additional heat from the combustion products. As the flue gas cools, condensate forms and must drain through the furnace's approved condensate system. When comfort problems appear, the cause is not automatically one dirty component. Restricted household airflow, venting problems, blocked drainage, contamination, and heat exchanger condition are separate concerns. A plugged filter can reduce airflow and contribute to limit control operation, but it does not prove that a heat exchanger needs cleaning. That is why proper service begins with diagnosis. A qualified technician checks the filter and airflow conditions, venting, drainage, furnace operation, and the manufacturer's instructions for the exact model. There is no universal brush and vacuum shortcut. Cleanliness matters. So do correct airflow, drainage, venting, and verification after service. Reliable comfort comes from careful inspection, accurate diagnosis, and work performed to the equipment manufacturer's requirements. Alberta Indoor Comfort, cold outside, perfect inside. AlbertaIndoorComfort.com.